LifeVantage is a biotech company and our main office is located in Lehi, Utah. In the Philippines, we are situated here in NEX Tower. We started retailing the products in 2003. But our biggest breakthrough happened in 2005 when there was an investigative report done by ABC Primetime News. And as you know, it was a very popular channel in the US back then. So ang ginawa po dyan, yung mismong host, Mr. John Quinones, ginamit niya yung products. But before that, they got a blood sample and they tested it on the laboratory. And they found out mataas yung oxidative stress level sa katawan niya. Indication po ito, if you're going to, of course, develop health concerns later on. Of course, pinatry yung products. And you know what happened? After about 2 weeks of trying the products, bumalik siya sa laboratory and they found out bumaba yung oxidative stress level niya by more than 40%. So, ang laki ng ibinaba, So, nag-create siya ng media flurry. Na-attract yung mga medical universities and facilities to take a look because there has never been a product na nakakatulong na ibaba ang oxidative stress level sa katawan ng tao. So if this is true, it's going to be a breakthrough technology. And to cut the long story short, gumawa sila ng sarili nilang studies, they got the same actual result. So napatunayan nila, scientifically proven that the products really can help people lower down oxidative stress, and that's really a breakthrough technology. So lalo nagkaroon ng positive noise about the technology of our products. Now, 4 years later, that's when our board of directors decided to switch from retail model to direct selling. And 2012, imagine 3 years from when we shifted to direct selling, NASDAQ listed na po yung company natin. So it's not only financially stable, but it's going to be here for the long run. And in 2020, in fact, we were declared as a debt-free company. Imagine we are operating globally in more than 20 countries at walang utang ang LifeVantage. Now, how does that sound to you? If you happen to know people from these countries, you can also share yung products natin sa kanila. And ang good news, you will not do it alone. As you know, you have this amazing team to back you up, to support you, and to help you in sharing the good news about LifeVantage. Not only here in the Philippines, but on a global scale as well. And meron na po tayong sistema. Prepared na po ang team natin para dyan. So it's really easy. All right, so we have been winning a lot of awards as a company, and we are affiliated to American Chambers of Commerce and the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines, which is really good news for us. Now, we talked about oxidative stress earlier. And again, if mataas ang oxidative stress level, huwag ka pong magulat na nakaka-develop tayo ng sakit. In fact, pabata ng pabata ang tinatamaan ng sakit right now. And that is really very alarming. And I know all of us are already aware na yun nga, ang daming external factors contributing to why we are becoming sickly right now. Reason kung bakit tumataas yung oxidative stress level, and we have to accept the fact that we are already living in a different world. Hindi na siya kasing healthy noon like 20 to 25 years ago. Ibang-iba, lahat ng ginagamit natin right now puro chemical based na. Ibang level na yung stress ng mga tao right now. Yung kino-combat natin sa health natin, ibang-iba na rin po. The leading cause of death worldwide right now are chronic and degenerative diseases. So sakit na, hindi na natural death or old age ang kinakamatay ng mga tao right now. Na in fact, wala na halos na bubuhay hanggang 100 years old. And kung meron man itong mga tao na to, for how many years of their lives, hindi naman sila exposed pa to toxicities. Yung generation natin right now, mabilis po talaga magkasakit. Now, if you want to do more research about oxidative stress, you can access pubmed.gov, which is the National Library of Medicine. This is open to the public. So if you type in there oxidative stress, you'll find more than 300,000 studies conducted by medical experts saying that oxidative stress is now at the center of all these diseases that we can acquire or develop. So imagine mo, lahat ng sakit na meron tayo, oxidative stress ang pinakang sentro. So there's a need for us to create awareness about it because a lot of people nagkakasakit, they don't even know the root cause. Ano yung solusyon na pwede nating ibigay sa community natin? There are thousands of products in the market. Kung hindi natin alam kung ano yung gagamitin natin, baka kung ano lang yung nasa commercial, ano yung pinapadala sa atin from abroad, yun na lang yung gagamitin natin. So if you're wondering anong difference ng product, particularly the technology behind the products of LifeVantage compared to all these products available in the market, sobrang layo po ng difference. And you have to be very excited to use this product kasi truly, these products will be able to help you big time. Talking about antioxidants, we are all aware about how antioxidants can help us, can help our body, can help our health. But what we don't normally know is that there are two types of antioxidants. You have the primary and the secondary antioxidant. Now, your secondary antioxidants are the ones that we are most familiar with because these are the ones that we get from fruits, vegetables. So if you're taking your supplements or vitamins, the plant-based, are also getting secondary type of antioxidant, wherein the level of repair and protection is 1:1 in ratio. Ibig sabihin po, in a single molecule of secondary antioxidant, it can only neutralize or combat one free radical. Now, here's the thing. 10, 15, 20 years ago, malaking tulong po yan sa health natin. If you're taking supplements, then it will supply nutrients na hindi mo nakukuha sa kinakain mo. But again, right now, hindi na siya sumasapat kasi iba na po yung kinokombat ng health natin right now. Iba na yung level of stress, yung toxicities na hinaharap natin every day. Good thing, we have what we call the primary antioxidants. Where in the neutralization effect, as you can see, ang layo ng difference, no? Because for every single molecule ng primary antioxidant, it can neutralize or combat not one, but 1,000,000 of free radicals. So the only question is, where do we get these primary antioxidants? Kailangan natin siya. Only our body can produce these primary antioxidants. Ibig sabihin po, your body has that innate capacity in terms of healing itself. So the idea is, how can we go about bringing back that abundant production of primary antioxidants again in our body? That can only happen if you will be able to reactivate, reawake, or reopen the pathways. And that's exactly the solution through the technology of activation. So ladies and gentlemen, we're not offering you supplements or vitamins. We are offering you something that is the first of its kind in the world, and that is the activation technology behind our products. It will be able to switch on our body's own natural pathways in order for your body to make its own antioxidants. So kaya uli, nandyan lang, natutulog lang. So bakit hindi natin i-trigger? Ba't di natin buhayin uli, no? Kasi nandyan naman na pala sa katawan natin. Now, together with the team of scientists and medical professionals, imagine it took them 30 years of research, 10 years of development, and more than 2,500 formulation ng herbs, no, before we even have our first product. So let me say, ganun kahaba, mitikuloso yung proseso bago tayo nagkaroon ng produkto. No wonder there is nothing as effective as our product. It's the most advanced technology behind any other product in the market right now. Let me introduce to you our flagship product, which we call Protandim Nerve 2 Synergizer. So this can activate your Nerve 2 pathway. And what's amazing with this product is if you take the product, proven and tested scientifically, it will help your body reduce oxidative stress by 40% in just 30 days. So just imagine yung may tutulong niya sa katawan natin. And this is exactly what we needed to do right now. That's why ibang-iba po yung produkto natin. You're not only supplying nutrients in your body, you're letting your body produce. So another good news is it can help us regulate our survival genes. And we are talking about 1,000,000 neutralization of free radicals every second in every cell of our body. That's amazing it is. And it help us increase the glutathione production in our body by 300%. We're talking about natural glutathione. That is really good news dahil yung detoxification purposes niya. So this is made out of 5 natural ingredients. And you just have to take 1 tablet of this product every day. Hindi mo kailangang i-double dose or triple dose. We're talking about activation. Again, mataas yung level ng repair and protection niya. Another good news is we have patented the formulation of our product so that no other company can copy or duplicate what we have here in LifeVantage. If you are wondering if it has solid verifiable evidences, the answer is yes. And we are very proud to tell you that all the peer-reviewed studies no, na makikita mo sa PubMed.gov are being conducted by prestigious medical institutions. No, you'll find studies from Harvard University, American Heart Association, even pharma companies like Abbott and GSK conducted their own study about the products. And again, all the peer-reviewed studies, you can find them sa PubMed.gov because it's open to the public and yun yung laban natin. Proving na breakthrough technology meron talaga tayo dito sa LifeVantage, being a biotech company and the leading authority in nutrigenomics. In fact, according to Washington State University, our nerve to activation may well become the most extraordinary therapeutic and preventive breakthrough in the history of medicine. So the next product we'll talk about has something to do with our mitochondria, natural energy ng katawan natin. Mapapansin mo, as you get older, nangihina tayo, bumababa yung production pala ng mitochondria. And the thing is, affected na rin nun yung cellular repair, rejuvenation, regeneration kung walang natural energy na nakikreate in our body. So the good news is you can now bring back the abundant production of mitochondria in your body by activating your NRF1 pathway, which is the one producing your mitochondria. So that can be the help na makukuha mo through the Protandim NRF1 Synergizer. So not only that you will feel more natural energy, you're also allowing your cells to repair, rejuvenate, regenerate faster through these amazing products. And the third flagship product that we have here is the Protandim NAD. It's a molecule inside your body which will be able to help you activate your sirtuin activity. So magandang effect po niya sa metabolism natin, which also plays a very important role when it comes to our health. Sabi nga no ng mga doctors, bakit tumataas sugar level, hindi na may metabolize properly. Creatinine, same thing, hindi na may metabolize properly. So you see, malaking factor po yung ating metabolism, and this product will be able to help us with that. Now, additional benefits ng product natin, for NAD, it supports healthy longevity, removal ng cellular waste, which is very important, improves mental focus and concentration, supports positive mood and motivation, your health inflammatory response, sobrang importante rin. Cholesterol level and vascular system. With NRF1, bukod sa more natural energy and faster cellular repair rejuvenation, it can help and support your heart health, hemoglobin production, brain function, and cognitive performance. And with NRF2 naman, it improves the quality of sleep, definitely. Definitely a boost for your immunity, reducing the effects of stress, detoxification of liver and cells, mental focus, improved skin health, and the favorite of everyone. Sino ba naman ang aayaw? Na habang naaayos na yung health concern, you feel younger, you look younger, you feel your best, you feel happier. And you can only achieve that through this activation technology behind the products of LifeVantage. Also, we have our on-the-go energy drink. We have Axio. It has no added sugar, no artificial sweetener, which comes in two flavors. We have the red raspberry and the dragon fruit. So aside from more energy na may bibigay niya, it can also support yung mental focus and concentration. Now, yung ating skincare lines, it has activation technology as well included in this product. So we have four amazing products in our activated skincare collection, and I would suggest that if you're aiming for a really, really good skin, you have to try this skincare products. And we are also very proud to introduce to you True Science Liquid Collagen product, which is an award-winning product. It's really different from other collagen products as well. Now, just to give you an idea, most collagen products pang skin lang. And most collagen products in the market can only offer you 2 to 3 peptides of collagen. So what's the difference of our collagen products? It offers 10 peptides of collagen. So not only for your skin, all your organs and tissues which needs collagen for structure, nasusupport na po ng ating collagen. So aside from just applying collagen, it can maintain your existing collagen, but more than that, and what we are very excited is that it can trigger the activation of collagen in your body. So you can really expect great results from this product. And now, since we're here in the Philippines, if you're wondering if we have FDA certification for all the products that I have discussed with you, the answer is yes. So this is in fact what you will be seeing sa portal po ng FDA if you will check yung mga certifications natin. Alright, so I hope you have seen that with the technology we have in LifeVantage, it's the first of its kind in the world. It can do wonders in your health. Just like thousands of people na natulungan na po natin from top to the bottom of the Philippines, you too can achieve long-term health. No, you too can have that best possible health state na lahat tayo inaasam natin. Imagine pag may nagkasakit sa family, no, everyone will be affected. Everyone can be emotionally stressed. Everyone will be financially stressed. And that's why we are here. That's our mission, to create awareness that there's something we can do to attain long-term health. Again, the best time for you to take good care of your health is habang healthy ka pa, hindi kung kailan may sakit na, right?